I don't know about you, but when I first started working online and starting my own online business, I was looking for something that was going to be extremely low startup costs. The learning curve was going to be very, very, very simple, and it was going to be scalable. And that brings us to exactly what I would recommend is Amazon publishing or Kindle publishing. So what exactly is Amazon book publishing? The simple way of understanding what book publishing is on Amazon is this. People are buying books on Amazon every single day, hundreds of millions of customers. All you do is you find the books that are already selling, you make another book that's better than that current book that's selling, you upload that file into Amazon, and then Amazon starts selling that book instead of the competitor's book for you, and then Amazon sends you a paycheck every single month. That's like the super, super simple way of explaining what Amazon publishing is. The beauty of this is Amazon handles everything for you. They handle all of the customer inquiries, all the returns, all the shipping, all the headaches that go along with having to ship a physical product. They handle all the inventory. And there's not even that much because Amazon is all print on demand, meaning they don't actually print the books until the customer clicks, I want to buy that book. So there's very, very little, if no, inventory for Amazon to worry about. You simply focus on creating a product and a better product every single time. And Amazon does literally everything else for you. So one of the main reasons this works so well is because of how big Amazon already is. Amazon has hundreds of millions of customers buying products from them literally every second of the day, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. There are people buying from Amazon. They have the structure in place, they have the credibility in place, and all we're doing is putting our product on there so we can help take advantage of that credibility that Amazon already has. We don't have to, Joe Schmo, come over to our questionable Shopify shop that they found on Instagram. They're going to Amazon. They're going to one of the biggest names in the industry. So they know, hey, if I enter my credit card info here, if I buy a product from here, I know I'm going to be getting that product in a couple of days, sometimes the same day. And I know if I have any problems with it, I'll be able to return it. So you've eliminated all of that by piggybacking on Amazon's platform. So you're building up products inside a marketplace where customers already exist. You don't have to go chase customers. You don't have to go out and wonder, where am I going to find any customers who are going to buy this particular book? Because you do the research ahead of time, and we only publish books based on books that are already selling online. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day one is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day two, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day three, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.